today we are going to know about mind mapping. How to mind map or organize our thoughts. So, what's in our brain? See, this is Wimpy kid. He has lots of thoughts in his brain, that is video games, weekends, TV, sleep, food, movies, girls, friends, music, and many more. So what's in your brain? So what is in my brain? So let's look into my brain. What thoughts are there? Where is the Zoom link? Paddo, finished your homework? Oh, check homework, classes, lesson plan, classwork, medicine. I want to go outside, make videos. I want to go to school, lesson plan, dinner time, make videos. Oh, make dinner first, sleep time. Shakal already? So these are the thoughts that are in my mind, not maybe always, but sometimes. So to know what is my daily routine, which thought comes after which thought, we need to organize these things just like a map. Suppose you are in a new city. You don't know how to get from your hotel to the park. So you may get lost. So what you will do? You will look into the map for direction. Just like this, Dora has given us a map to go to London's party. Mind mapping is actually just like this. We want to organize our thoughts, maybe about some topic or maybe what we are thinking. What we can do? We can make points to organize our thoughts. So let's see, we have to talk about spring. So our topic is spring. First we can talk about which 2 months are spring, right? Then we can talk about how we celebrate the first day of spring. Then we can talk about how the trees shed leaves and become green again in spring. There are lots of festivals in springtime, right? So we can talk about that also. We can talk about the flowers, the bees, the birds, the butterflies. So we have given a topic, spring, and we have to write about it. So if we organize our thoughts just like this, then start our writing, or even you can speak about spring. Then what would happen? Your writing or your speech will be much organized. And this is the way we mind map a topic or an idea, anything we think about. So let's see how I can say about myself. Okay, so this is me. My name is Farzana and I have a daughter. I have a pet. My daughter's name is Poddo and my pet's name is Tuk Tuk. I love reading. I love to take photographs and I love to go for an adventure. I don't like fighting, but I like the rainy season. I love to get wet. What do? Okay, I'm a teacher and now I am taking classes online. What is my birthday? I won't tell you that. You will know how old I am. Pretty old, but just remember I'm pretty old. See all those candles? And where do I live? I live in a apartment building. Okay, so this is all about me. So when you are trying to write about yourself, you can write down the points like this and then start your writing. So this is mind mapping. Mind map your thoughts like this and then start your writing or your speech. My dream adventure. What you need to do is you have to write a paragraph about your dream adventure that you always wanted to do. But first you have to draw a mind map of this topic. Then you will start your work. So now let's watch the videos that is attached with your work. Then submit all your works. Okay, thank you.